Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is counting words. Okay, so here is given a Harsh was recently gifted a book consisting of n pages. Each pages contain exactly n words. Okay, so Harsh was recently gifted a book of n pages, and n pages containing m words. Okay, each page is containing m words. As he bored, so he decided to count the number of words in a book. So he was getting bored, so he just decided to count the number of words in a book. So you just have to find a total number of words in a book. Okay, so this is the easiest question, I guess. You just have to multiply. You just have to do multiplication and nothing else. So here is given a number of test cases, and the x is the number of pages and y is the number of words. So let's understand with an example. So here is given a t, which is test cases. It is given a 4. Okay, and x and y is given. So x and y is given 1 1 1 1 and 4 2 4 2 2 4. Okay, so here is given a, you just have to find number of words. Okay, so you just have to find the number of words in pages. Okay, so the number of pages is x and the words is y. So you just have to do multiplication. 1 into 1, which is 1, 4 into 2, which will give 8, and 2 into 4, which will also give 8. Okay, so you just have to given, so here given the number of words in total book, matlab in a book. So the total word in book is given 1. In the same way, total word in book is given. Here is it and here is it. Again you can check for 40, 42 and 95. You just have to multiply it and you just have to return it. So let's write the pseudo code here. uh, first you have to take int t, which is the number of test cases, and then c int t, and then you have to start the while loop in which t minus minus is greater than 0. Then you just have to create int n and m. Okay, so cn n comma m, and int answer, you have to create answer variable where you will store m into n, multiplication of m into n, and then you just have to do cout answer. Okay, so you just have to do cout answer. So after this you just have to do enter and close the loop. So I hope you understand the code, pseudo code that I have written. So let's do the code. So here is given int n, which is let's write int t, because I have written an explanation as a t, and c int t, and then again you just have to do while t minus minus is greater than 0. Then you just have to do int m comma n, and then cn m, and again you just have to do int answer equals to n into m. You just have to do cout answer. Okay, and then you just have to do enter. So let's run this code, whether this works fine or not. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.